Hello, viewers. That's your friend, Reverend Father Michael Obudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. I want to use this medium to wish every one of us a happy new year. We thank God for bringing us into this new year, 2024. It is my prayer that this year, 2024, will be a fruitful year for every one of us. Most especially to my fellow farmers, I say it is my prayer that this year will be a fruitful year for all of us. As we begin this new year, the question I ask myself and also asking my fellow brothers and sisters, most especially our youths, is what is our plan for the year? What is my plan for the year 2024? Because an idle mind is the devil's workshop. An idle mind is the devil's workshop. As we go through the year 2024, what is my plan? Here in my farm, I'm going to take us through a sector here in our farm on how we manage the year in that sector. You know, here in my farm, I run what we call integrated farming. So I'm going to show us a little secret on how I run the year in my pig section, so that you yourself will judge if it is worth going into or not. So that you don't remain there lamenting just like how we did last year and we wasted the whole year. And we have entered into this year again thinking that there is no white collar job, there's nobody to help us. So come, let me show you a little secret on how to make it this year 2024 by engaging yourself, most especially in the pig section. So please follow me as I take you to my pig section. So as you can see over there, that is my pig section. So I'm going to go in there to show us a little secret on how we manage the year. This is my pig section. Here we have 10 rooms. We call 10 pens here in my pig section. This row, we have about 5 of them. Then this row, we have about 5 of them to make it 10. And in these pen, we stock, in this our piggery, I mean to say, we stock 40 pigs for 6 months. Let us say pigs of about 4 to 8 weeks old here in this pen. After finish stocking them, we run a program for them for about 6 months. And our target for each pig, as you can see them, we have about 10 pens here, and we have 4 for each in each pen. And our program here is quarterly, we raise pig for about 100 kilo. And here in our state, as at last month, which was December, we sold a pig for 1,400 here in Delta State, Sapele local government precisely. Now, if you have 40 of these pigs in a pen like this, and you run a program from January to June, and you have 100 kilo of body weight of pig each, the 40 of them, they are going to give you 4,000 kgs. And this 4,000 kg, you times it by 1,100 per kg. You will know what you are going to realize at the quarter of the year. Then from July to December, you can run another program. By doing this, you will see that you will be fully engaged, and you will see that you will be having sweet returns before the year runs out. You will be happy with yourself. So please, I want to encourage and advise our youth to engage themselves either in farming or something productive. Once more, I remain that your friend, Reverend Father Michael Obudu. Thanks and God bless you.